In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the unknowns of two linear equations simultaneously. So we can either use the elimination method or the substitution method. Let's begin with the elimination method. To solve by elimination, all what we are just trying to do is to make sure one of the variables is cancelled out. To make one of the variables cancel out, we have to make sure its coefficients are same. The coefficient of x here is 3 in the first equation, 2 in the second equation, of y is 7 in the first equation and 5 in the second equation. And our constants here, we have 26 and 18. So it's either y will go or x will go. So which are we going to pick? Since x is coming first, let's remove x. Let's eliminate x. To eliminate x, we make sure its coefficient is same. How do we make its coefficient same? We have 3 here, we have 2 here. We can make 3 and 2 the same by multiplying 3 by 2 and multiplying 2 by 3. So if we multiply 2 by 3, we have 6, and in the second equation we would also have 6. So it means that we are going to multiply this whole equation by 2, and we'll multiply this whole equation by 3. So if we multiply the first equation by 2, we are going to have 2 multiplied by 3, we would have 6x plus 7 multiplied by 2, we would have 14y equal to 26 multiplied by 2, we would have 52. And the second equation, since we are multiplying by 3, we would have 6x plus 15y equal to 54. 3 multiplied by 18 is 54. So now x and x both have the same coefficient. To get rid of x, we subtract the equation. So 6x minus 6x is 0. So 6x, the variable x is gone. 14 minus 15 is 14y minus 50y is minus 1y. So we have minus 1y equals 52 minus 54 is minus 2. So we have minus y equal to minus 2. Since we are looking for y, not minus y, we divide both sides by minus 1. We now have y equals 2. So now we have solved for one of the variables of this equation. So now we have the value of one of the variables, one of the unknown variables. So y is 2. To get the value of x now, we just substitute the value of y in one of our equations. Let's pick our second equation. 2x plus 5y equals 18. So we have 2x plus 5, y is now 2 equals 18. So we have 2x plus 10 equals 18. 2x equals 18 minus 10. 2x equals 8. So dividing both sides by 2 to have x, we have x equals 2 cancels out 2. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. So x equals 4 and y equals 2. So if we tried both out in our equation, we have x as 4 and y as 2. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 14 plus 12 is 26, so we are right. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 10 added with 8 is 18. So we are right. So now let's try out the substitution method and see if we would arrive at the same solution. So to solve by substitution, all what we are just going to do is to make one of the variables the subject of the formula. If we pick the first equation, 3x plus 7y equals to 26, if we are to make x the subject of formula here, mind you, we can also make y the subject of formula. But to be consistent, let's make x the subject of formula. So 3x plus 7y equals to 26. So we have 3x equals 26 minus 7y. And while making x the subject of formula, so we divide by both sides by 3. So we have 26 minus 7y over 3. 26 minus 7y over 3. So this is the value of x. So since we have the equation for the value of x, we substitute this value for x in the second equation. So that is why it is called the substitution method. So from the second equation, we would have 2. This is the second equation. So we would have 2, since x is now 26 minus 7y over 3. 26 minus 7y over 3 plus 5y equal to 18. If you look closely, x is gone. So now we have y. So we just have one unknown here. So it's going to be very easy to get the value of that unknown. We have a fraction here. We can get rid of the fraction. We can get rid of 3. How do we get rid of 3? We multiply through by 3. If we multiply through by 3, this 3 is going to leave this place. So if we multiply through by 3, we have 2 multiplied by 3 . 26 minus 7y over 3 plus 5 multiplied by 3 would have 15. 18 multiplied by 3 would have 54. So mind you, when you are multiplying through, you should make sure you multiply every element, every value in that equation. So this 3 cancels out this 3. So we are left with 2. 26 minus 7y plus 15 equals 54. If we open this expression here, we would have 52. 2 multiplied by 26 is 52 minus 2 multiplied by 7 is 14y plus 15 plus 15y. Okay, I skipped that here. Plus 15y plus 15y equals 54, and plus 15y here. So plus 15y equals 54. So we have minus 14y plus 15y. Minus 14y plus 15y, same as 15y minus 14y. That is 1y. So we have 52 minus y plus y equals 54, making y the subject of the formula. We have 54 minus 52. Y is equals to. So since y is equals to here, it's the same with that of the elimination method. So it shows that we're on the right track. To get the value of to get the value of x, we just substitute for y. We substitute this value of y in the third equation we created. This is third equation we created. X equal to 26 minus 5y. This x equal to 26 minus 5 minus 7y over 3. So we bring that over here. X equals to 26 minus 7y over 3. Since y is now 2, we have minus 7, 2. So this is 26 minus 14. 26 minus 14, that is 12 over 3. And we have 12 divided by 3, we have 4. So y is 2 and x is 4. So this is how to solve by elimination and by substitution. Don't forget the steps we used when eliminating. First of all, we make one of the variables have the same coefficient. We subtract and we eliminate that variable, and we get the value of the other variable, and we substitute that value in the equation to get the variable we eliminated. By substitution, we make another equation by making one of the variable the subject of the formula, and we substitute that in the other equation. So like that, we are going to have the values. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you feel in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription button and your notification bell. Bye.